Alright, welcome back to Resource Slimes devlog number 4, and let's see what cool additions were added this time. The first thing I did, I fixed the clipping issue that some of the slimes have, so there's now no longer any weird clipping into the floor. But let's be honest here, you're not here for any bug fixes, you're here for amazing and cool features. And I've got something freaking awesome to show you. We have actually added 3 new effects: a clean effect, a slimy effect, and a dirty effect. And I'm gonna be real, these add some insanely cool functionality to the game, so take a look. The first effect is gonna be the clean effect. Okay, the clean effect, basically, right, I'm just walking around, everything is fine. If I'm like really clean, what happens is I'm sliding and slipping just like I was on ice. Because I'm so clean, right, I'm so soapy that I'm just sliding and slipping everywhere. So that is effect number 1, right? The dirty effect, you know, listen, when you're dirty, you know you can't be around people or around animals or anything because they're just going to repel by you. Meaning, if you enter into an area of effect, you're actually hurting every entity inside of that area. That is the dirty effect. As you can see, it doesn't do that much damage, but it is, might actually be a really good thing for PvP. I agree with you. There it is. So, as you can see, like, it doesn't give you that much damage, but it's still pretty cool. And it's an AoE effect, so it is pretty awesome. And then last but not least, we have the Slimy Potion, which, when applied, gets you minus 25% speed. Now, you might say, this is like, you know, this is not that good. There's another thing that might be an issue. That is, you can't jump anymore, right? You might be like, what are you talking about? I'm 25% slower and I can't jump anymore, right? So I'm continuously pressing the jump key, and as soon as the effect is gone, you can see I can jump again, right? So you might be like, but if I can't jump, why the frick would this be a cool effect to add? I don't know. Maybe you can just climb walls. Oh, that's a slimy effect. Come on, man. That's so cool. This is beyond amazing. I find this so awesome. I don't know. I just love that. I don't know. It's pretty good. It's like, it's nothing too crazy, but I think it's balanced correctly. Now, if these aren't awesome, then I don't know what is. And also major props to Same Different for the help during the live stream and with their GitHub repositories. It is greatly appreciated. Also, don't forget to catch me live Mondays and Wednesdays at 6 p.m. Central European Summer Time on my Twitch channel, link below. And now another thing. As I mentioned last time, I'm no longer a fan of the custom shader ideas, so we will actually do intermediate items called extracts that can then be crafted into actual resources. I did it in such a way where I can actually enable and disable certain resources, and the slimy and non-slimy extracts for these resources are registered automatically. This is pretty much thanks to the Mystical Agriculture GitHub repository, and also a big shout out to Turdywordy for also helping along in the live stream. So together with Chad, we made a list of all of the resources and under what tiers they fall, and then in the end, I created all of the resources in the game, and this was the result. Yo, look at all of them. Look at my creation. Hello there. Look at all of our slimes that we have. Man, this is craziness. And more. We want more slimes. More slimes. Dude, it's so good. Some of the more technical things is I actually included some translation of the resources, which isn't insanely important, but it actually is kind of nice that all of them can be easily translated now as well. And lastly, I made the resources harvestable with a bucket and also made the slimes non-hostile. And this gets us into the beta. Now granted, there's still lots to do here, mainly the textures of course, as well as a bunch of other functionalities. When it comes to the textures, Nanotech is already on it, and every Monday we're working on it on Modding Mondays. So once again, great freaking progress. If you want to catch me live Mondays and Wednesdays at 6 p.m. CEST on Twitch, thank you also so much for my Patreon supporters for supporting the channel, and I'll see you all next time. So yeah.